Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be preparing a savory dish called Palak Paneer. Palak is nothing but spinach in English, and paneer is your cottage cheese. Alright, so this is a delicacy in India and really relished by people here in India. So let's see how to prepare this flavorsome dish. So for that you would require some cottage cheese, which is also called paneer, onions, 2 chilies, 2 tomato, 2 and spinach, okay, which is your palak, turmeric powder, salt, garam masala, cumin, ginger garlic paste, and some milk. Here I have taken low fat milk. So there is a process called blanching. Basically it is nothing but you would be boiling the leaves in hot water, bubbling water, for a good 5 to 7 minutes, and then you would just rinse it off under cold running water. That will help to retain the nutrients in the spinach or the palak and also retain its color. So this process is called blanching. To blanch the spinach leaves, start to heat up the water. So as you can see, the water has started to bubble. Start dropping the spinach or the palak in it. Let this boil for about 5 minutes, and then you can rinse it under cold running water and then just blend it. This process will also enhance the natural colors of spinach or palak. So the palak has been boiling and it has run under cold water. I would be blending this quickly for 5 minutes to come up with a nice thick textured paste. So guys, you can see now the rich paste is ready. You don't want too runny and mushy. It should be just done with a little bit of water. Now in a pan, add about 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it up to fry or saute the onions and tomatoes along with the other aromatics. Once the oil has heated, add the cumin seeds. If you prefer the taste of bay leaf or tej patta, please do add that as well at this point. Adding the onions and the green chilies. Optionally, you could also blend the onions separately and you could blend the chilies with the spinach. That would give you a complete smooth texture, which is preferred by most of us. But here I would be sauteing the onions and the green chilies. Add the ginger garlic paste. Add some salt and continue to saute. Remember, spinach is already naturally a leafy vegetable and hence is salty, so do not add a lot of salt. Add the tomatoes and continue to saute. Here I am adding a little bit of stock that I had used to boil the spinach. This will ensure that none of the nutrients are lost. Add a pinch of turmeric. Add the palak or the spinach puree. Combine and bring this to a good boil. Add a pinch of salt and combine. Drop the paneer or the cottage cheese into the masala. Give it a good mix. You might have observed I have not added any plain water. I have only used the stock that was used to blanch the spinach, which is about 1 cup. Add some milk for the nice creaminess. That was about 1/4 cup of milk. Now mix this well and let it come to a nice boil. At the end, I am adding the garam masala. Combine everything together. So as I always say, taste the food that you cook so that you ensure that you haven't missed anything out, So I have already tasted this and it just tastes amazing and it's mouth watering and it does not require any more additions. I will cook this for another 2 minutes and that's it. Your palak paneer or with your cottage cheese should be ready. So guys, here you have it, flavorsome palak paneer made at home. I hope you enjoy this recipe at your homes and please do give me your feedback. Please do write to me or comment or just like and subscribe to encourage. Thank you. Wish you all a great day. Thank you. Bye for now.